here at the Praxis Youth Organizing Conference.
The Praxis Conference is a time for youth to come together
and just share ideas and inspire each other to do great things.
To share tactics, share strategies, and share their experiences organizing in their communities as young people.
And to take back what they've learned, take back their connections to where they're coming from.
So I hope that when students leave that they know that they're not alone in caring about the world.
And I want students to leave with the sense that we're building family here.
We're hoping that what they take with them, number one, are connections with other youth, also some mobilizing strategies, different actions that they can take in their own community.
You know, like 2,000 plus followers in like a couple weeks.
This is a space where we're bringing like radical youth from all over the country to bring all their passions and the things they love and come together to basically start a revolution.
Have confidence in your movement, and you know it's for the people. Like, this is important, and you know that it's what's right, so you need to do it.
I just heard people saying we are the youth and we are the generation, and people are making decisions for us that are from other generations who don't know what it's like to be in school, and so we have to demand the right to make the decision.
There's different roles to be played within a movement. That can be art, that can be someone making posters.
Last night, the Changemaker High School mariachi group was playing, and all the Mexicano youth got up and did the dances that go with the music. So there's just this beautiful, natural way of collaborating with one another.
Patrice Cullors coming here today to be our keynote speaker is extremely important because she was a youth organizing in her community against a lot of the injustices that they were facing.
I'm a community organizer, and when I show up to spaces, it's not to entertain. When I show up to spaces, I come to those spaces guaranteeing that at least half the room is going to join the movement if you haven't already.
We're not just bringing in an outside, well-known community organizer, but Patrice has a long-time relationship with social justice and community organizing program at Prescott College.
But an organizer is really just the smallest unit in which we actually organize other people to come join our movement. We're not actually the most important thing. We are of great importance. But what's actually more important is the role we play in building people's power.
Praxis is a process of theory, reflection, and action that determines how we mobilize ourselves and our community to say how productive we can be is for social change.
What have you done yesterday to ensure the freedom of you, your people, other people? And how are you building power? How are you building the power of people most closest to the pain? Thank you.
Teachers have inspired me to make a change, and I go to Changemaker High School.
I do want to say how proud I am of my Prescott College students, together with the Changemaker High School students, that they created this moment and that they have really opened this space for all of these young people to come together from across the country.
1, 2, 3!
And they've done it with humility and with a ton of energy, and they really are modeling what the next generation of organizers are going to be, and that just gives me a lot of hope.
1, 2, 3! Praxis!
Praxis!